Maggie from O.S.B heat pump factory. Today we are going to introduce our air source all-in-one heat pump 300 liters V-smart series to you. This model is mainly used for domestic hot water use. Offer maximum hot water 60 degrees. Here is the technical data. It is with 3,300 watts for heating capacity. The e-heater as backup for heating is 1,500 watts. And the waterproof class is IP multiplied 4. That means it could be installed indoor or outdoor are both okay. This position is for e-heater. For customer also could use for industry heating. This is the power supply, condensation outlet, hot water outlet, MG rod, cold water inlet, and drowning outlet. When the customer receives the unit, they could just connect the power supply, hot water outlet, and cold water inlet. Then the unit is ready for using. Thank you for your watching.